Welcome to Alphabet Adventures. Let's learn and play with the ABCs and our colorful animal friends. Let's continue from M to Z. Milo the monkey points to mountains afar. M is for monkey and mountain. Grand peaks reaching up to the stars. Milo dreams of climbing up without a single scar. Nina the narwhal in the navy blue sea. N is for narwhals. Swimming with friends as happy as can be. Their tusks are a sight, as remarkable as can be. Oliver the owl, wise and watching the otters play. O is for owl and otters. The otters splash and laugh in their water ballet. Oliver smiles at their games day by day. Pablo the penguin prances with parrots so bright. P is for penguin and parrots. Their feathers are a rainbow, such a beautiful sight. Dancing and singing from morning till night. Quincy and the quails with their queen so serene. Q is for quails and queen. They quiver and quail in the meadow unseen. Together they're quiet in their realm so green. Ruby the rabbit races with Ricky Raccoon. R is for rabbit and raccoon. Across the field, under the light of the moon, they run through the night. They'll be finishing soon. Sammy the shark swims with Sally Sloth and Simon. Timmy the tiger in his truck, so much fun. T is for tiger and truck. Along the road under the shining sun, his colorful truck is second to none. Under an umbrella, Una the unicorn hides. U is for umbrella and unicorn. From the rain, she prances and glides. A magical sight even in stormy rides. Vicky the vulture plays the violin. V is for vulture and violin. With each note she plays, a symphony begins. In the valley, her concert will win. Walter the walrus with a watermelon so sweet. W is for walrus and watermelon. He munches and crunches. It's his favorite treat. With juicy delight, it's a summertime feat. Xena the xerus plays the xylophone with care. X is for xylophone and xerus. With a tap, 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 music fills the air. Xylophone melodies are quite rare. Yuri the yak plays with his yo-yo. Y is for yak and yo-yo. Up and down, watch it go, go, go. He flips and tricks, putting on a show. Zoe the zebra munches on zucchini. Z is for zebra and zucchini. In her black and white world, the veggies are teeny. She loves her greens. They keep her lean and meany. And that's our adventure from T to Z in our wonderful world of ABC. Thank you for joining us. We hope you had fun. Learning letters is for everyone. Give a big cheer for the end of our show. Remember all the friends that you now know? Wave goodbye, but don't be blue. We'll return with more fun just for you. Remember to like and subscribe for more alphabet adventures. Stay curious and keep learning new things every day. Until next time.